Once you've clicked Sign Up for ReciPage, you're going to be taken to this Create New ReciPage screen. I'm going to walk you through how to go ahead and get your free ReciPage set up. You're going to pick a username. For our purposes, we'll just go with sample. Do a password. Enter your email. And the next step is choosing where your ReciPage is going to actually be located. Since you've chosen to do a free account, your recipe page is going to be located at www.recipage.com/. You can choose, from here you can choose either your name or your blog name. So for our purposes, we'll do recipage.com/sample account. Click Get Started, and you're going to be taken to the next page, and this is where you're going to be setting up some of your custom features. First thing you want to do is choose a profile pic. I'm going to go ahead and use the one of myself, and I'll go ahead and set it up with my name. Website name will go with sample account, and our user URL, and a Twitter handle. If you don't have Twitter, you can leave that blank, and that's totally fine. The bio, this is a sample bio. I love to cook. And location. Go ahead and click Next. And you'll see from here a little bit about what your page is going to start to look like. You can see that the photo is uploaded, and these are some of the information that you have added so far. Now that we're in the ReciPage formatting screen, you're going to be able to pick fonts, colors, headers, and other things that are going to best match your site. So I can change the text color. If I want it to be red, I'd go ahead and hit Select. And I can see that now the text on my page is going to be red. You also have the option of adding a banner image at the top of your page. I'm using the same banner image that I have on my main site so that my ReciPage will match my main blog. You can use whatever banner you like though. From here you'd go ahead and click Next. And you can see we've moved on to the widget in the checklist, but you can see so far what's been formatted. We've got our banner and all our fonts and colors. The next thing is optional. These are snippets of code to add widgets to the sidebars of your main blog to draw more attention to your recipe page. Any of these can be copied and pasted. We've given you the HTML codes, and you would add these to your main site as a way to link people over to your new ReciPage. That's it for setup. From here, you can actually click out, and it's going to bring up your new recipe page. You can see ours here. This is what it's going to look like. We've got the banner right here at the top. It looks just like as if it were a page directly on my blog. It's just that it's located at recipage.com/sample account instead. We've preloaded with a few sample recipes just so that you can see how the page is going to look. We've got our bio over here. So this is your page. Back to our original setup screen, you're going to go ahead and click Next, and from there you're going to be able to start adding recipes and make your page your own. Now we've got our recipe box. These are all the sample recipes. You can go ahead and delete these since you're not going to be using these. And once you've deleted all of these, you can go ahead, click Add Recipe, and start building your own recipe box. That's it for getting set up.